In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change language in Yakuza 0. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the language of Yakuza 0. This is going to work if you are playing through Steam, and I'm also going to be talking about the options that you have for console. So first, if you own the game on PC through Steam, if you scroll down, this is what they have to list. The game offers interface available in English and Japanese alongside with the subtitles, meaning that you can change the interface and the subtitles between these two languages. However, for the full audio, known as the dub, it is only available in Japanese, so keep that in mind. So, if you are playing through Steam on PC, all that you have to do is open the Steam launcher, find Yakuza 0, and you will notice that I am doing this example with Cyberpunk. At the moment, I don't own Yakuza 0 on this account, I apologize, but once you do find Yakuza 0 on your account, right-click it, go over to Properties, and under Language, you will be able to switch it between English or Japanese. You might have to download some additional files, but once this is done, the interface and the subtitles will have changed accordingly. So through Steam, it is very convenient. However, if you are playing on a console, while it is still possible for you to do this, it is going to be a little bit more complicated. Inside of the game, there is no option to change the language, so if you are playing on a console, you will need to change the entire language of the actual console. So you need to go over to the console settings and change the display language for everything. Once you change the system language, when you open Yakuza 0, the new language will be displayed accordingly. And of course, the only two languages available are going to be Japanese or English. Keep that in mind, and only the interface and the subtitles will change. The full audio dub is only available in Japanese regardless of the version that you have. If you want full and more detailed languages, you will have to play other Yakuza games, such as Like a Dragon. Yakuza 0 in particular only has these two to offer. I hope I was able to help you on how to change language in Yakuza 0. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.